Well, one of the big challenges heading back to school is homework. Ellen, give us some tips for getting our kids on track right from the get-go.
Right from the get-go, you want to have a set time, a schedule every day that you set aside that they know is their homework time. You don't plan any other extracurricular around it. That's your homework time. Make sure you use their agenda. Most kids come home from school with an agenda. If they don't have one, I recommend that you set one up that talks about what homework is due, upcoming assignments, how you're going to put those into little bite-sized pieces for them. Make sure you have a nice quiet place in your home that's set up as the homework center. All the equipment and supplies they need are always there. It should be free from distractions, so not near the TV, obviously. Although remember that some kids' learning styles, they're a little more sociable. They like to have mom or dad nearby. So the kitchen table is perfectly fine, and that's who they are. You want to be accessible, but don't hover. And don't, for heaven's sake, don't do their homework for them. Remember to give them regular breaks, and if they're on a roll, don't interrupt, don't let them lose their focus, and that should help.
Well, you can pick up their latest magazine or go online to calgaryschild.com for more tips. You can also check out our family-friendly programming at ctstv.com. For Connects, I'm Natalie Faith.